I think it is extremely critical that we prepare our public that there are massive costs attached and massive risks attached to any kinetic action. And if missiles are going to be raining on each other's cities, then if Islamabad and Lahore are vulnerable, then so is Delhi.
For any operation to succeed, you need three elements, speed, surprise, secrecy. There is an issue of choosing our timing, and that should not be dictated by the public mood.
The Russians haven't really come out in our favor. And this is something that we should ask of our foreign policy establishment, that, we have been saying Russia, 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 and we have been also insisting that if tomorrow we have some kind of a tiff with the Chinese, then will the Russians stand with us? And there has been a body of opinion which said, yes, the Russians will stand with us. But now my question is that, damn, they have not stood with us on the Pakistani thing. Why will they stand with us on the Chinese thing?
How do you explain the US Secretary of State who turns around and tells India to work with Pakistan?
We have to fight this battle on our own. And when you escalate, you have to be prepared for the worst case scenario, which is of a uncontrolled escalation, where you could even be fighting a full-scale war and have both the capacity and the intent and the political will and the national will to be able to do that.
फायदा क्या हुआ YouTube बैन करने का अगर वो इंडियन टीवी चैनल्स पे आ सकते हैं उनके बंदे?
Under normal circumstances, okay, fine, you are having a normal debate, it's fair enough. But these are not normal circumstances, these are extraordinary circumstances. The other thing is on this whole YouTube and the other bans which are being put. Look, one, you certainly hit at their revenue stream. You cannot try and utilize my market and carry out poisonous propaganda against me and make a profit out of it. I'm not going to allow it.